Namaste. Nisarga Natural Farm, Kadabi, Taluk Saudatti, District Belagavi, Karnataka State. I am sharing many my farm videos, which is a ZBNF farm since 2011. Till today, I am practicing in ZBNF and grown many crops, vegetables, banana, and our main crop is sugarcane. So many of you are our subscribers, and whoever like our videos, please subscribe for the updates. I have created this channel just to share the things what I learned in the way of ZBNF. As I was also a diploma engineer, it is my ancestors' land, but my father was not cultivating around 10 years ago when I started. So when I came to farming, everything was new for me. Just I read the Guruji's books and attended one workshop. When I started, many farmers suggesting me not to do that, not to do this. When we talk about new things in agriculture, the farmers who experienced, they say it is not good, it is not right, and they suggest on their own way. So same thing happened to me, and same thing when there is no experience, we make many mistakes. Like that, I made many mistakes and growing the crops. So today, why I am sharing the things again and again in YouTube, just to share what are the problems I faced and what are the solutions I found for a newcomers, whoever planning for farming. It must not repeat for them. So this is video about weed management and crop management and crop system in ZBNF or in natural system, in which we don't use any inputs, we just grow on ZBNF method. And in ZBNF method, to get the best income, best yield, we must improve our soil fertility. So how it improves? With the crops only. So here in this plot you are seeing, this is sugarcane crop. In this sugarcane crop, recently we have sown this horse gram seeds, because it is an empty land, it's a border. As usual, it is a cowpea, it's an trap crop for the pests at the border. It is my border, and this is the weeds which grown because of continuous raining in our location. This is an 12 feet sugarcane crop, 12 by 3 feet, and in this crop I wish to show which are the crops I have sown. This is cowpea at the border, and this is the groundnut as a seasonable crop, and this is gongura pundi, we say it's a red pundi which grows in Andhra, and this is the bendi. We need it for the preparation of jaggery. So we have many plants in between the crop. We won't remove them. And here this is turmeric and chili, and this is desi red color maize, castor sown itself, and in this there is a banana. This is robusta G9 banana in between the sugarcane. This is the chili plant, and here you are seeing this is the grass weed. And here I wish to show you the thing how they are compete each other. See the height of the crop. sugar groundnut, it is competing with this grass. So in nature, when soil fertiles, all the crops try to get their share in sunlight, water, nutrients, everything. So I just want to tell you this: if you want to fertile your land, you must grow as many as crops in your farm. Then the Jivamruta and all the other ZBNF cycles will help you to grow the things naturally and in the best yield, for the best yield. And this is a disease, I don't know what it is, but we have not treated anything. And this is till, these all are sown in themselves only. And this is that desi bendi, which we use for jaggery making. And this is, there are cucumber plants also there. We have last time we have sown cucumber here. The ripen fruits fallen here and the seeds germinated themselves. And this is how our ZBNF farm looks. So I request you, whoever planning and wish to convert your land to a natural farm, so sow the crops as much as possible, varieties of crops, and just keep in mind that symbiosis system must be there in your farm, so which helps to give the nutrients to the main crops. Thank you very much.